Good afternoon and welcome to FMZ Guns Tactical Thursdays. I want to show you probably the most popular sold item right now because yes, this could be used for a lot of tactics. Home defense, backup for your rifle in case it goes down, a breacher, or a truck gun. Very simple to use. It's just a plain Jane old pump gun, okay? And it's legal. So you don't have to do any special paperwork to own this, okay? So yes, for me, this is a great idea, and it does a lot of purposes. Again, Tactical Thursdays with FMZ Guns in Miami. Visit our website, and you'll see many other videos.